In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email to Microsoft Word. Saving an email to Microsoft Word is a useful way to keep a permanent, editable record of important messages. Whether you need to archive correspondence, prepare a report, or share the content in a more professional format, Microsoft Word allows you to save emails in a clean and organized way. The process is quick and works with most email clients, including Outlook. To begin, open the email you want to save. In Microsoft Outlook, click on the message to open it fully. If you're using another email service like Gmail through a web browser, open the email and ensure all content you want to save is visible on the screen. Next, select all the content in the email. You can do this by clicking inside the email body and pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard, which highlights the entire message, including the sender's information, date, subject line, and the message content. Once everything is selected, press Ctrl-C to copy it. Now, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Click inside the document and press Ctrl-V to paste the email content. Word will insert all the text and formatting from the email, including links, images, and basic styles. After pasting, you can edit and format the email in Word as needed. Adjust font sizes, remove unnecessary information, or add headings and notes for clarity. This step is useful if you plan to include the email in a report or share it with colleagues in a professional format. Once you are satisfied with the formatting, save the document. Go to the File menu and select Save As. Choose a location on your computer, enter a file name, and select the file format, such as Word document, .docx, or PDF if you want a non-editable version. Click Save, and your email is now securely stored in Microsoft Word. Saving emails in Word ensures that important correspondence is organized, easy to access, and can be included in larger reports or presentations if necessary. It's a practical method for keeping track of communication without relying on your email client alone. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.